Hey guys, this is Vino. You are watching Vino Schooling. If you are having any doubts in Cbse computer science or in ICSE computer science or in metric computer science, you can ask me. I will create a video and upload it. So kindly subscribe and support us. Here we are having table called employee. It is having a number of rows. If you take any column in a particular table, it is not in a particular order. It is not in a descending order and it is not in ascending order. So what we have to do, if we want to search something, it should be sorted, right? So if it is a sorted, easily we can find out the data. So what we are going to do now, we are going to learn how to sort a particular column. Then we are going to learn how to sort a multiple columns. So in this session, we are going to learn to sort a column, right? So for that, we are going to use order by clause, order by keyword. So here we are going to learn how to sort a column, right? So for that we are going to use select command. Select star from table name is common. Then we are going to add new keyword order by. Then we are going to place selected column name. Finally, we are going to use ASC for ascending order, DESC for descending order. This one is optional. If you are not using ASC or DESC, by default, MySQL will sort it in ascending order. So now we are going to learn to sort a single column. So for that, first we are going to use select star from table name is employee. So after table name, we are going to use order by keyword, order space by keyword. Then we are going to place selected column name. My selected column name is age, right? Then we can mention ascending or descending. If I am mentioning ASC, it will be sorted in ascending order. If I am using DESC, it will be ordered in the descending order. So now I am not going to use both. Just I entered, you can see that we selected a age column. It is ordered in a ascending order. The thing is, if you are not using ASC or DESC, by default MySQL will select ascending order. You can see here, before we arrange the table, the content is first it starts from 29, 39, 24. It is not in order. So here you can see that based on the age column, the full table is rearranged, right? So here, if you are using ASC here, particular column will be sorted in ascending order. You can see here, if you are using ASC or if you are not using ASC, both are same, because MySQL will arrange the data in ascending order. By default, it will arrange in ascending order. So if you want to arrange the data in descending order, okay, we have to mention, it is mandatory. If you want to arrange the data, a particular columns data in a descending order, we have to mention DESC. See here, the age starts from 67, 47, 39, and it is in descending order, right? So we learned how to sort a particular column in ascending order, and we learned how to sort a particular column in a descending order, right? So next we are going to learn to sort a multiple columns. So for that, very simple. First we are going to select a age column, then I'm going to select a city column, CITY. So you can see that both the columns are arranged in a ascending order, because we didn't mention descending. Because if you are mentioning descending order DESC, then only it will be arranged in a descending order. Otherwise, by default, MySQL will arrange the column data in ascending order. So here we use the two column names after order by age comma city. So first column name is age, second column is city, right? So both the columns are arranged in ascending order. You can see here 22, 22. So if you want to see the difference, right? So how multiple columns are working, right? So there are four rows matched with age 24, Chennai, Katpadi, USA, Vellore. It is in ascending order. If I am using descending order, next to city, DESC. Particularly City column will be arranged in the descending order. So as usual, so first priority is given to age column. It is arranged in ascending order. So you can see that order by the first column is age column. Okay, so after age column, we didn't mention whether it has to be displayed in ascending or descending. So MySQL is arranged it in ascending order because it is default. So you can see that 24, 24, 24, 24. Right, in city column all the data are arranged in descending order. So you can see here we are going to take only these four columns. So 24, 24, 24. In the city column you can see it is arranged in descending order. Second filtration, so first filtration is age column. Okay, it is arranged in ascending order. So we are not going to disturb the ascending order. Okay, we are going to disturb only inside a 24 age. Having 24 age, particular columns data is only going to shuffle. So here you can see that city. Okay, so it is arranged in a descending order. Vellore, USA, Katpadi, Chennai. Before we use descending order, you can see here age and city both are in ascending order, right? So same four rows we selected: Chennai, Katpadi, USA, Vellore. These data are arranged in a ascending order, right? So here these data are arranged in a descending order. So first column age column is in ascending order, and city column is in descending order. This is the future of using multiple columns in order by, right? So thank you. Next, we are going to discuss about grouping data by using group by class. Thank you.